you and your cold judgment. Why did you go to Salem? You are forbidden from going. Are you questioning my authority? I'll whip you for this again.
I'm not feeling well. Please, don't hurt me. My stomach hurts. I've been working all day.
And what of the work here? Will you continue working here? You are getting paid £9 a year. It's not like my wife can do it. She isn't well.
I made this for you. I had time while I was in court and I decided to sew.
Thank you.
We must love each other.
Now, Goody Proctor.
Indeed. I'll get up early and clean the house. I'm going to bed.
Mary, is it true that 14 women have been accused?
No, there was 39 now.
What's wrong?
Goody Osborne will hang.
What? She will... Did you say hang?
Yes.
And Deputy Governor is allowing this?
Yes, she sentenced him, but the same. What? Sarah Good, she's confessed, you see.
Confessed what?
That she made a compact with Satan and that she is with sentenced to torment Christians.
But did you... She's a liar?
It's an open court, plus she tried to choke us all to death.
How?
She sent her spirits.
Surely you...
This isn't the first time.
You haven't mentioned this before.
I didn't know before. When she arrived at court, I believed she was innocent, but then she continued denying. There was chills running up my spine, and then I felt a clamp around my neck, and I couldn't breathe. Then I heard my scream, and then all came back with me.
What did she do to you?
Many times when she come and asked for bread, Sadie, I turned her away. Every time she would mumble.
She may mumble if she is hungry.
But what if she doesn't mumble? Or does? Remember last month when she walked away? I thought my guts would burst. Do you remember?
I think I do, but...
When I said that to the Judge Hawthorne, he asked, what curse did you mumble that made this girl full sick when you left? She replied, it was no curse, only my commandment.
And that's just an answer.
Yes, but when asked to do so good, Sarah could not recite commandments. They caught her in a lie.
So they commended her? Condemned her.
She did that to herself.
But what about the proof?
It was all there, the proof the judge needed.
We will not go to court again. You will not go to court again, understand?
I will be attending every day from now on. I am surprised that you don't appreciate the world we do. The work.
You're not even opening your mouth. Work? Oh my god, you're hanging women! Work, you're hanging women!
Not all of them will hang if they confess. Sarah Good will only be in jail for a little while, and here's some news. Goody Good is pregnant.
But she's almost 60!
She was examined by Dr. Giggs, and she's pregnant, even with her smoking and no husband.
Oh my gosh.
So she's going to be okay with an innocent child. So she's going to be okay with an innocent child Isn't it cool? We do God's work so it will be gone at the all day at different times. I am official of a court now.
Yeah, right. Takes wit from the mantle. Have you wit?
Okay, it stopped too.
Yeah, right.
I will not stand whipping anymore.
Mary, promise me you'll stay home.
The devil is loose in Salem and we must find him.
I'll whip the devil out of you.
I saved her life today.
I was accused?
Mentioned, but I told him that there was no sign of you sending the spirits without hurting people, seeing as we live with you. They dismissed it.
Who accused me?
By law, I cannot say. I hope you won't be sarcastical anymore. I just had dinner with 4 judges and the king's deputies. You'll respect me.
Go to bed.
I will not be ordered anymore, Mr. Proctor. I am a woman, however single.
Then stay up.
I wish to go to bed.
Good night.
There's one, two.
They're gonna hang me.
They're going to hang me.
They're not gonna hang you.
Oh my god.
She wants me dead. Everything has been
Wait.
everything has been leading up to this.
They dismissed it. You heard her.
And what about tomorrow? She won't stop till I'm dead.
Calm down.
She wants me dead and you know it.
Calm down, Elizabeth.
I'm calm.
Don't fear. I'll find Ezekiel Cheever. I'll tell him what she said was a joke.
There have been many imprisoned with Cheever's help. Do me a favor and go with Abigail.
Why should I go with her?
John, do it. You can understand you young girls. There is a promise made in bed.
What promise?
Think about it. She wants me dead to take my place. John, out of all the names, why call mine? She wants to take my what? She wants to take my place.
No, it can't be.
Have you not given her hope? She can't pass you without you blushing.
And that is my sin.
That's not how she sees it.
What do you see, Elizabeth?
I see you.
What?
Hold on. Shame because I'm here and she's so close.
You don't get it. I don't want her anymore.
Then tell her she's a whore. Break your promise to her.
Oh, I will.
Sing.